Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Target Circle account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type target.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Target homepage to fully load. Look for the sign in button at the top right of the page. Click sign in to open the login options. Choose sign into your account if you see multiple choices. On the sign in screen, find the email or username field. Click the email or username field to activate it. Type the email address you used to create your Target account. Move to the password field below the email field. Click the password field and enter your password carefully. Double check for typos, especially if caps lock is on. If you are on a personal device, you can check Keep Me Signed In. If you are on a shared device, leave Keep Me Signed In unchecked for safety. Click the Sign In button to continue. If prompted, complete any security check such as a code or verification step. If you receive a verification code, open your email or text messages to find it. Return to the Target sign-in page and enter the verification code. Click Confirm or Continue to finish verification. Once signed in, go to the top menu and select Account. Find and click Target Circle under your account options. Verify that your Target Circle dashboard loads and shows your offers or points. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email and follow the reset link sent by Target. Create a new strong password and then return to the sign-in page. If you use the Target app, open the app and tap Sign In. Enter the same email and password, then tap Sign In to access Target Circle. If login fails, check your internet connection and try again, or update the app and retry. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.